Your
You
phone
want a
has
piece of
blood.
me? Yeah? Well, here you go then. Thanks.
No, wait,
Hey kids, who's ready to draw?
Okay then, draw.
What?
Okay, hit the apple. Yeah!
Oh.
Hey, what time is it?
Ah!
Medication time.
Creepy. Oh, jeez.
This is better.
Yes, it is.
Chase me, Susie. Chase me.
What? Look at his face. He's just like, oh no. What have I done? Her mother will be so mad at me if she'll pop me. Oh, God.
Good.
Oh.
Hey, I'm not like other girls. I have.
She just said, oh, I wonder what that is. Go comment in the comment section below what you think it is right before she said it.
Snake arms.
Snake arms?
I'm sorry, Jim, but I'm going to have to let you go.
No. Don't fire him, please.
No!
Oh. Balloon.
Is this you? Yes. Hello.
Hi.
Hey, here comes that transgender guy. I like trains.
Transgender guy?
Mm-hmm.
What?
I wish I could fly.
Your wish is granted.
Yeah! My childhood dreams.
Beep, beep. I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep. I'm a sheep.
Yeah.
You know what I hate? Child murderers. Oh, no. Here
Please don't have an adult murdering children.
comes one now.
I'm gonna get ya.
That's a play on words. Child murderers. You would expect a grown adult trying to murder children, but it's actually a child trying to murder people. Child murderers.
Cannonball!
Why isn't he falling? Oh, cannonball! Deal with it, glasses right there.
My beautiful baby. This is the happiest day of my life.
Are you sure?
You're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
No!
Have you seen my lemons? I want my lemons. I don't want to be fat anymore.
Oh, I see a gun. Don't shoot yourself, buddy. Oh. Okay.
Meow, meow. I'm a cow. I said meow, meow. I'm a cow.
No.
Hey, you, if you like Asta movie, you
You can't deny it.
After movie?
That'd be something you do. Sit in the chair, walking with a bowl of snacks.
Some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one
Exactly.
like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe. Throw your hands up and point them to the floor. Here's what to do, now get down on all fours. Just bounce around, it's easy for me. Go crazy now and beep beep like a sheep. You got to beep beep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep. You got to beep beep. I said beep beep like a sheep. Yeah, so you know how to beep beep like a sheep, I see. But is that all you can do? Throw your hands up and point them to the sky. Drop to the floor and move from side to side. Just bounce around, come on, I'll show you how. Go crazy now, down there like a cow.
It's literally a sheep with the word cow on it. Here, I'll show you how I beep like a sheep.
Do push-ups.
That's what Ryan was doing.
Beep, beep, I'm a sheep, beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep,
That's
beep,
like
I'm a sheep,
butt-ups.
beep,
That's
beep, 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 I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep.
It's like you're trying to push your butt against the
Okay, this is it.
You're bobbing your head like a chicken and pushing
Inventing
your butt
butt-ups.
against the TV.
I did.
Okay, I know it's a little bit of a short video. Actually, no, we're just gonna watch funny videos. Just so you know, it's not actually me. I was just searching that up. Okay, funny videos. I guess this is gonna be trying not to laugh challenge again.
This is Sparta!
Oh yeah, just so you know, at the start of this video, Jacksepiceye actually played that voice when he said like, "Wait, don't jump, beep, now jump." That was actually Jacksepiceye playing as that voice. Did he shoot the guy? Did he kill him? Beep, beep, out of here. Oh god, what? You can see that girl right there. No, that was a bad idea. You're trying to teabag a window? No! Oh man, I almost made it. Okay. So you know I'm not married anymore. I'm still 8, almost 9. 8.5. So. Yay! Just fell down before into the underworld. Bye bye. Hello! Whoa! 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 Oh yeah!
I don't want to do it. No.
She's just like emotionless, like she's just like, help me!
I don't want to do it anymore. It's too late. I gotta shit myself. Finn, it's too late. Why is there smoke? Why is fire?
I'm never going on one of those rides. It's too scary for me. The dog, bruh. The dog! Oh, here. Awesomeness.
The video.
Oh god, I gotta show this on my YouTube video. Crap, it's gonna change it this way. Guys, I don't want my face to be showing, you know. It's on a no face YouTuber. Is it showing my face? Nope, not mine. Mustache. Okay. Hey, son, can you turn that? Wait. Okay. A Bugs Bunny. The child is having too many bones. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Mom tried to ask me. Someone had to ask me a question. You can't see me? Buy Taki, the purple bag. You'll never regret it. I suggest you do. Takis are really good, but she's crazy with Takis. But yeah, if you love Takis, I like Takis. Savannah, if you like Takis. So the rest of the video is seriously just gonna be this guy weirdly dancing. What is he doing?